Hello everyone, this is Nidhi here. In my last tutorial, we have seen the installation of Jenkins on AWS instance. Now we will see how you can set up the SSH connection between Jenkins and GitHub. Why do we need to set up the SSH? Using this approach, you do not need to provide your credentials to configure the Git repo in your Jenkins job. We will be achieving the passwordless SSH connection. So what we need to do for that? We already have a Jenkins user on our Jenkins server because Jenkins is always running with some user. So whatever that user, we need to use that one. We need to generate the SSH key for that. We, we need to get the public key and that public key will go in GitHub, and in the Jenkins we need to put the private key. So in this way you can do the integration between Jenkins and GitHub using SSH. So let's see how we can do that. Prerequisite, as I mentioned, you need to have Jenkins server, you need to have GitHub account. So now let's configure the Jenkins user now. So I am on this server. So in this server Jenkins is already installed. So now let me log in with the Jenkins user on this system. So this is the Jenkins user. Now I need to generate the keys for that. So I will be running this command and you can just follow the default. If you want to change, you can change it. So now if you can see here, the private key and the public key got installed. Second thing, you have to do the SSH agent. You need to ensure that SSH agent is running. If you don't do that, then you won't be able to connect. You will be getting the permission denied public key error. So this is the step that you have to do for. So let me just run this command eval ssh hyphen agent hyphen s agent PID. So this ensure that SSH agent is running. And then last thing you have to do SSH add. Okay, my mistake. So let me just correct it. Yeah. So it says that identity added. So we have done the configuration. We have generated the public key. Now the next step is we need to copy this public key. So let me just do this cat id underscore rsa public. So you can just copy this public key. Now we will open our GitHub account. So let's go to your GitHub account. This is my GitHub account. Here you can see your profile options, and in the settings, let's go to your settings, and here you will be seeing that SSH and GPG keys. This is when I was doing some testing, so it is installed with some other servers. So you have to go there and put the new SSH key. Here you can say Jenkins test, whatever you want to put the name. And here also it provides you the instructions, begins with SSH hyphen RSA, right? So I'll just put it here, add SSH key. So it asking me the password. So let me put that, confirm. Okay, so as you can see, Jenkins test it has created now. Now what is the next step? So GitHub configurations we already did. Now we will go to Jenkins. So we already have this Jenkins. You need to go to manage Jenkins. And here you have an option of manage credentials. We will go there, click on global, and here you will be add some credentials. In this drop down, you would be selecting, because it's an SSH connection, you would be selecting SSH username with private key. Okay, let me just do it again. Maybe, I don't know. Okay, so here you would be providing your, so I think it did something. I have no idea. Okay, so here you can provide your key. So let me just go to that server and get the private key. So here you would be pasting your private key. So let me just copy this. Now I will be just pasting this private key and click on save. Okay. Now let's go there. Click on new item. I will be creating some test project. So let me just create a freestyle project. And I need to go to my repository. So you can take any your repositories and I will be using the SSH. So you will be getting your SSH URL here. And in this, you will be seeing that option. So I have selected the freestyle option. Here you select the Git and you will be providing your credentials. You will be getting this error now. Okay. Let me just see. Yes. So you are getting this error now. Why you are getting this error? So you can see you are getting this error. You don't need to provide these credentials also, but it automatically takes. Why you are getting this error? You are getting this error because on your this system Git is not installed. So if I just exit, if you see Git is not there. That is the reason you are getting this error. So this issue, even it's very difficult to find why we are getting this error. So let me just install sudo yum install git. So let's just install git. Okay. Now just do the apply and see if that error goes or not. Let's see. So let's do the configure again. And as you can see, this error goes now. Actually, you don't need to provide any credentials, but yeah, it automatically takes because this is an SSH connection. So you don't need to provide any username and password. Just click on save. And if you run it, obviously this job will not, okay, yeah, we can run this job. Let me just do it. This is in shell. So I'll just, you can include execute shell and you can just put echo test so that it makes sure that it is able to run this job. So let's do the build now. As you can see, it was able to fetch all your Git repo code, and it was able to echo it. So this is how you can integrate Jenkins with GitHub using SSH. Now you can configure all your Git repo which are present in this GitHub account without using or without providing your username and password again and again. And why we want to use the SSH connection? Because that same configuration we can do with HTTPS also. But as people always prefer to use SSH over HTTPS. So this is the reason we set up the SSH between Jenkins and GitHub. Thank you.